this is Sean here, back again. I haven't been, it's been all weekend, I guess. I've been gone. It was my 50th birthday and weekend, and my wife took me away for the weekend and stuff, so I haven't made any videos or any updates or anything, so I'm really behind on videos right now, so I'm trying to get caught up, guys. Bear with me. But this here is going to be a stash ad video, and before I show everybody what I got going on, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, and all my new subscribers. As always, thank you for your comments. Alright, let's get started here. And this video is to tell you people, and I tell you time and time again, always hit your antique shops, flea markets, you know, little thrift shops, stuff like that, because you never know what you're going to find. You might go through a long spell where you don't never find nothing, but then again, you'll hit a spell to where you're just finding stuff all the time. And I've lucked out so far, and I've been finding stuff here lately. And don't get me wrong, I go through a dry spell where I don't find nothing. And that's just the way it is. Places like this, you know, they get vendors all the time. New vendors, old vendors, you know. And, you know, these people, they hit estate sales and yard sales and stuff. And they put stuff in auctions, and they put stuff in their booths, you know. That's how they make their living. So, yeah, sometimes they don't have models, and sometimes they do. You have to always check. So, with that being said, my son, he's a military model builder, you know, and he's a war gamer and stuff like that, and he loves all the military stuff. So just about every military model I buy, I usually give to him, even though I still got a whole closet there that I told him that he could take home anytime. He still hadn't done it. But the first model that I got, and it was $10, and it is a Mini Craft Backfire B Tupolev TU-22M. You can see that right there. I give $10 for it. Everything's still sealed on the inside. I thought that was a good deal. He'll love that kit. And then the next one I bought for him is a F100D Super Saber. Saber. It's a monogram kit. You can see right here. And it is it's never been built. It's open, but it's never been built. Everything's still there. I counted for everything. $10. That was at the same booth right there. Alright. And then I stopped at another antique shop. And this is when I went to Branson. We went to Branson over the weekend, Branson, Missouri. It's not far from where I live, you know, 2.5, 3 hours. And so we hit the antique shops up there. And then you guys know that I actually own MGs, and I'm an MG lover. I love my little British cars. So you know all day long I'm going to buy that right there. That's an MG. That's like a 1930-something MG right there. It's like a 1932 or somewhere around in there MG. And it's got the little driver figure with it and everything, and it's never been built. Still sealed on the inside. I give $6 for it. Alright, and Charlie Mack, I know you're going to like this. So you build these, and you build every one of them. I know you built this and probably several of them. And this was a Connoisseur's Classic MPC 1928 Lincoln Touring. You can see that right there. And I know, Charlie, because I watch your videos all the time, I know for a fact that you built all of those. There's the side box art. You know, the box is a little rough, but you know, it's old, but it's never been built. Still sealed on the inside, decals, everything's there. I give a little more for this one. I give $15. Alright. And then, shoot, I think I give $15 for this one, and I've got several of them. But, you know, every time I see it, I buy it just because it's, I don't know, a lot of people don't like them, but I do. I like the old IMC kits, which this is the tester box, which I got the original IMC too, but this is still, it's an IMC kit. They make good custom, right there, look at that. It's a 48 Ford convertible, and these are very good to customize. It comes with the chop top option in it. You can build it stock, you know. It's still sealed. 15 bucks. Alright. Charlie, here's another one I know you probably built. And this is a Classics Duesenberg here. It's a museum piece for Monogram. Right there. And I think there's a price not on this one. I know I didn't give no more than $10 for this one. And it's not built. It's still right there. Not built. It's open, but it's not built. Alright. And then Charlie, I know you, and well, Tom, old Rambler 69. I know BG, Brian, y'all build these Hubley kits. You see right there. I give 20 bucks for it. $19.99. And this is a Hubley kit, and I do believe it's from the 60s, maybe early 70s. But Tom, you guys know exactly probably when it was built, but it has been started just a little bit, but you know, nothing's been painted, nothing like that. It's never been finished. I think this is all I've gotten done, is like started on the front end and the little rear end piece right there. See? And it still rolls. And when I say started, all you're doing is just screwing in pieces, so it wasn't that big a deal. So it's really basically, it's not started much. But 20 bucks. And now these next kits I'm going to show right here. This has been started on, but I know it's a very rare kit. And it's really hard to come by, and then on eBay, you know, they go for quite a bit. And Cliff, you're going to like this. It's the Baja Burro. It's the MPC. It's a Harley kit. It's an actual dirt bike, I guess, that raced the Baja in the Baja 1000 right there. You can see that right there, actual race bike. You can see there's the side picture of it. And here's the actual pictures of it racing. And it has been started, but it's not bad. I mean, it's nothing that I cannot redo and tear apart real easy. You can see parts are coming off of it. And it hasn't even been painted. It's just started. It's never been painted. So, and there's a bag full of the kits and everything, the parts, and it's even got the decals and stuff. So that was a heck of a deal. And I give a little more for this one than I would normally, but 35 bucks. But I knew what it was, and I love the motorcycles, so I was gonna buy it. 35 bucks. You know, you don't. You know, I normally won't buy something that's been started on like that. For that price, but knowing what it is, I bought it. And then this too, this is in the same category as far as being built. I bought 4 of these, and Charlie, you're gonna really love these. And these have never been painted, so yeah, they're built, but they've never been painted, so it's no big deal. You can pull these apart and paint them the way you want them or whatever. And this is old Johan Cadillac. It's right there. With the case, $10. I'm gonna buy that all day long. A lot of people say I'm just buying to buy, but no, that's something I have interest in building, and I would build it. And here's another one right here in the case. All the parts are there. It's just kind of coming apart. It's never been painted. Still the plastic it was molded in. And there's a Rolls Royce. 10 bucks. Like I said, all these right here are 10 bucks. Same thing with this one. And with the case. Well, hell, getting these clear cases is worth it right there, just for... And it's the same way. It's got all the parts. All the parts are accounted for. They just kind of come apart or whatever. Never been painted. And that, and there's a Duesenberg. And I do believe that's monogram. I know for a fact this is monogram, because that's the same kit that is in that box I just showed you, the monogram box. And it's never been painted. All the parts are there. 10 bucks. All day long. Now, this one here. Check this out. I know my Raul at the Muscle Car Modeler. I know everybody, BG, Chris, all you guys, you're going to love this. And this is an early one because it don't have the barcode anywhere on it. And it's molded in white, never been built. And that's how you know it's never been built. Instructions, decals are perfect on this. Right there. Trying to get those decals back in the instructions. Look at that. It's got the white wall tires. It's even got the plastic drag slicks for it. That was a good find. Anybody that knows your Johans, you know what that is right there. So, and then the one that tops it all off, guys. I'm telling you, please get out and start looking. It's like a lottery ticket, you know. You're never going to win the lottery if you don't buy a lottery ticket. So, don't bitch about the lottery unless you're buying them, you know. But this is the lottery right there. The box is rough, and I'm going to show you. And I'll probably do an unboxing on this video another time. But everybody in the community knows what the hell this is. The box is rough. It's got a little bit of water damage, but look at there. 1963 Ford pickup, AMT annual. Look at that. Comes with the little go-kart. And let me show you something, guys. Never touched. Most of the parts are all still on the sprue. What's off the sprue is what come off the sprue. Not painted, not touched. It even has the glue, the sandpaper, the instructions, the decals, the little go-kart. It's all there. Like I said, I'm not going to really unbox this one because you're going to see it in another video. I give $40 for it. Yeah, that seems high, but it's not high. I looked this up on the internet. The last one that sold, $350 with like a million damn bids on it. $350 the last one sold. I give 40 bucks for this. And then, too, while I was up there, I just hit a Hobby Lobby, and I finally got one of these. And, yeah, that's it. But that's my stash ads. I hope y'all enjoyed that, and this is my educational video to y'all. Please get out there and start hitting the antique shops and flea markets. And like I said, if there's any of these that you want unboxed, just holler at me. I'll try to get to it. And I still got a bunch more that y'all told me you wanted unboxed, like the big 12 scale Porsche Martini there, 934. I got to get to it, or 935, sorry. And there's a few more I still got to get to. I just got to find time to do it, but I will do some unboxings. I'll start doing more unboxing videos and reviews. I just got to find a little time. I got so many builds going on right now that I can only build one build at a time. I got the motorcycle build going, and I've been gone all weekend, so I just hadn't had time. But I'm going to try today to work on that motorcycle a little bit. And then when I get that one out of the way, let's say I got to finish it in February for Tim and Charlie Mack. I got to start my wagon, finish it up. And then after that, I got Brent's build with the Adventure Time RC Brent with the rat finks. I'm going to build my rat fink and build my car. And then Seamus and Russell, we both got buddy builds coming up. So I'm pretty busy, but I'm going to try, because I can only build one at a time. I just don't have the space, like several desks, that I can do several things at once. I wish I did, but I'm going to try to get some unboxings in for y'all. And thank you. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And Justin, happy birthday. And today's my birthday too. We share the same birthdays, buddy. We're 50. I'm 50. I don't know how exactly old you are, but happy birthday.